7:34 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Monday, August 1st, 2022. A severe thunderstorm warning is in effect for Sturgeon Company near Rivière, Barrie and Villeneuve, and Sturgeon Company near Morinville, Vollmer and Big Lake. 19h34 le lundi 1er août 2022, une alerte d'orage violent heure normale de l'est en vigueur pour Cité des Sturgeons près de Rivière-Thibarie-Villeneuve et Cité des Sturgeons près de Morinville, Vollmer et du lac Big.
Forecast for City of Edmonton, St. Albert, Sherwood Park issued by Environment Canada at 4 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Monday, August 1st, 2022. Tonight, showers with thunderstorms ending near midnight, then partly cloudy and 30% chance of showers overnight. Showers beginning before morning. Wind